Lately, I've been very, very overwhelmed and life feels like pure chaos at the moment. I'm trying to juggle 3 different jobs. I'm trying to build this YouTube channel. I'm trying to escape debt and help others do the same. I'm trying to build a fasting routine to improve my health and lose all the weight. Now I'm trying to wake up at 3 AM every morning just so I can walk to work an hour and 20 minutes and save £10 on a taxi. But honestly, I've been struggling. Getting up that early is absolutely brutal. I've never been a morning person, and I'm trying to do all these things that I'm not naturally accustomed to, and just to the general person these will be difficult. I'm trying to do everything at once, but the effort, the trying is the point. I am, in all of these failings, in all of these attempts, I am slowly getting towards a routine that I can actually sustain, that will actually get me to where I want to be. But it's been a long journey. Right at the start, I was this bright-eyed, bit naive, trying to do everything at once, and I was thinking I'll be done by now. And I've actually barely started. We've made some good progress, but really it's a battle with my own mind, because I've had years of programming of bad habits and bad behaviors, and frankly, even if I didn't have all those bad behaviors and bad programming, the things I'm trying to attempt are difficult by themselves. But I have the utmost confidence in myself that I will get there. I'm learning to build in the cracks of this chaotic life, not waiting for the perfect and clear schedule to do all the things I need to do. I'm trying to find moments here and there scattered throughout the week, throughout the day, to get the things I need to get done sorted. Some days that's just 20 minutes, but that could be 20 minutes of me editing a thumbnail, coming up with a title idea, writing a script, going for a walk, preparing a meal for my next refeed. Other days it could be barely anything, and I've stopped waiting for enough time because that time never comes. I'm trying to use the time that I have as strategically as possible. I'll write scripts and outlines and even do some voiceover work in my 30-minute break. I'll go for walks in my 10-minute breaks. But I am now trying to change my mindset to a mindset that allows me to show up without the perfect conditions, without the perfect timing, without the clear schedule. I'm just doing what I can when I can. I'm not trying to grind myself into oblivion or become the king of hustle culture. I'm just trying to get the job done with the resources that I have, and is a complete mindset shift. And I talk about a lot on this channel about mindset shifts, and I guess I've had a lot of them, which shows how far I've come, where I began, and what I need to become to achieve the goals that I have. And speaking of routines and schedules, let's have a bit of a fasting update, because I know a lot of you are actually interested in that for doing it yourselves or just interested in my own journey. I have started fasting again, and there'll be an update about that next week. The routine has slightly changed, but I'll go more into that in the next week's video. But basically, it wasn't fitting the schedule properly, especially around the refeeds. So I've now changed it where I fast Monday to Friday, because those are my busiest days and I want to maximize the refeed part of the process. I want to be able to work out properly, and I want to be able to read feed properly. It's not going to be easy, but I think it's going to be the most beneficial when life at the moment just feels so chaotic. It's going to be the most simple, and I think with the most benefits. I'm not chasing perfection anymore. I'm chasing consistency. I want to see what life is like and what I can achieve when I just don't stop, even when life gets messy. Because this is real life. Bills don't wait. Dreams don't fund themselves. Just time is just continually slipping away. You can either go hide in a corner or try and find a way to adapt. I'm not waiting for like the perfect morning routine or the next big life breakthrough. Even though we've had quite a few of these little breakthroughs throughout this journey, I'm not waiting for them anymore. I'm not counting on them, because they will come. But life is messy, and I'm trying to build it now. I'm trying to build in the cracks, despite everything else going on around me. Even if I'm tired, even if I don't know what to do, or I feel like I'm not ready, I've learned now that I need to still do something. I need to still move forward somehow and just find the time. I've said before that I'm a very black and white person. If I don't have like 6 hours in a stretch, it's not worth doing. But actually you can get a lot done in 20 minutes, in half an hour, in 10 minutes. Those things add up. And by the end of the week, you've actually achieved quite a lot of things. Things you need to get done in order to progress to the next step. And you'll be glad you did them. If you're anything like me and you're trying to rebuild your life in between all the chaos, know this. You don't need everything figured out for you just to begin. You just need to start. You just need to start and keep going. Even if you have little fragments here and there that you can achieve things, even if you have little bursts of energy, use them. This is what building in the cracks looks like, at least for me. And it's enough for now. If you're trying to build too, subscribe, comment, let me know what you're trying to build and what other things have you got going on? What are you trying to squeeze into your chaotic life? Let's do it together. Take care. Bye-bye.